Hello, my friends. This is the video that I made on NBIS stock just 5 days ago. To be precise, on November 14th of this year, when the price of this asset was, as you can see right here, at $85.35 at pre-market hours and at $88.63 at regular hours. And my main assumption in this video was that we are about to see the trend reversal that will complete the C wave of the A, B, and C retracement, and that will be the bottom of the fourth wave, from which we might have, and we have to have, this next leg to the upside that will break its previous swing highs. And guys, take a look right here. This is the actual price action of NBIS, and I made my previous video when this asset was at somewhere at $86.6 mark, and since I made it, this asset retested this level that I marked as this green rectangle and went higher. It gained from its lowest point about 26%, more than 26% to its value. And it is not the end. And guys, this is another evidence of the power of technical analysis. And if you want to receive this type of call to actions pretty much on a daily basis, you can see that this is my Patreon account. And on November 14th, I made this call to action. Pay attention to NBIS for your investment portfolio. And I also told that PLTR and NBIS both should be very interesting from the investment standpoint, and pay close attention to NBIS. It could be the next Palantir in terms of return on investment. And guys, it is happening right now, and if you want to join my Patreon with pretty much risk-free 100% money-back guarantee offer, on top of that with the Black Friday 50% discount, just subscribe to my YouTube channel and join my Patreon account with limited time offer, Black Friday 50% discount. And guys, you've seen many of my trade calls, all delivering strong returns in just hours. Now it's your turn to trade smarter. Join my Safe Haven Patreon tier, built for traders who want consistency, structure, and real results. You will get a detailed plan to protect your portfolio, monthly one-on-one Zoom sessions with me, and private Discord access with all trade alerts, lessons, and exclusive updates. And here is the best part. If you don't earn more than your subscription price within 30 days, you will receive a full refund, no question asked, as long as your trading account balance is at least $2,500 and you've taken all the recommended trades during the period. No excuses, no fine print. You profit or you don't pay. Here are just a few of my trade results from the first half of October. But don't wait, this offer is available for a limited time only. Once the spots are filled, enrollment will close. Join today and let's start building your edge in the market.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
So, and let's take a look at some fundamentals. First of all, I want to pay attention to the general sentiment related to NBIS stock. And if you type in Google search bar NBIS stock and switch to News folder, you will see several recent news. And I want to pay attention to this one. It was published just yesterday on investing.com, and it says Citizens Financial initiated coverage on NBIS Group with a market outperform rating and a $165 price target on Wednesday. This target represents significant potential upside from the current price of roughly $90, aligning with the broad analyst consensus that sees 77% upside potential for the stock. The research firm highlighted NBIS's recent major contracts, including a $17.4 billion agreement to provide Microsoft with GPU as a service and $3 billion contract with Meta. These deals have contributed to NBIS's remarkable 338% return over the past year, according to Investing Pro data. And guys, in the long-term perspective, I believe NBIS is very promising, and in a minute I will show you what price target this asset might hit with the assumption that this is the bottom of the fourth wave. But first of all, let's take a look at the at other projections from analytic firms. You can see that 7 analysts make this type of predictions, and the average price, even the average price, is $159.29, which is about 67% of upside potential. The lowest price target is also about 15% above the current price and is set at $110. And definitely this type of forecasts made for the next 12 months, but I believe that these numbers are not the top for the stock in the foreseeable future. And let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deeper right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, I have to admit that, well, first of all, let's zoom out to a daily time frame, and let me show you that from the bottom that was established on February of 2022, this asset had several waves to the upside, and on the biggest scale, we are at the bottom of the fourth wave, of the third wave on a bigger scale, and this top I will identify within the next several minutes. I will show you how you can do it, how you can project this price target, but it will not be the end of its journey. Then it has to have another leg to the downside to complete its fourth wave on a bigger scale, and another leg to the upside that will hit much higher targets. But let's do one step at a time, and let's project some price targets from this bottom. First of all, let's zoom into, let's say, hourly time frame, and let me show you that to project the top, wait a second, let's switch to 4 hours time frame. To project the top of the fifth wave on this scale inside the third wave, we have to pull Fib extension tool from the bottom of the third wave to the top of the third wave and to the bottom of the retracement. And here is this lowest point. And the most probable price target for the top of the fifth wave is 0.786. It is the price point of $157.69, and it can be a potential top of the third wave. Let's project the top of the third wave on a bigger scale from the length of the first wave. So first of all, let's delete another tool that I don't need for now. I don't need this one. And let's do the same calculations. If I pull Fib extension tool from this bottom to this top and to this bottom, you can see that, well, the third wave already broke. Wait a second, I have to make it a little bit different. The third wave already broke 1.618, 2.618, and it is moving towards the 3.618 extension level, which is quite high price target, but it is 100% confluence with the top of the fifth wave. This means let's mark it with a green rectangle. That will be our potential price target of the top of the fifth wave, which implies from the current price, wait a second, about 54% of upside potential, but the downside potential is also quite high, 23%. And I made a call basically just a week ago, and you could take this call and you could be in a green already. And from this bottom, the upside potential is a mind-boggling 90%. That is why, guys, just use my experience and my call to actions in order to benefit and in order to enhance your portfolio and the value of your portfolio, and use my discount for the Black Friday, and see you in my Discord group. So that's it.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gon' live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no cap.